Flawed, 76% probability of missing the target. Reckless, 50% chance of failure. And this is not an acceptable way to arrive at training. Even the greatest players of our time make mistakes. They take too many risks. After all, they're only human. But what if they weren't? I give you the future of football, our clones. Flawless decision-making, guaranteed results. It's what the people want. Football just changed forever.
Neymar loved to the clones before the match, but now he's down.
He looks concerned out there, doesn't he? I think the clones are really
coming off now. Wait, is that Ribery coming back on? Times are changing.
Football has changed. I'm not sure it's a good thing.
We'll see Ronaldo. The question now, is this the end of phenomenal football?
Basketball. Risk nothing with Perfect LeBron.
Before perfecting, football was a wild and unpredictable affair. I've changed that.
What do you think happened to the originals?
You mean what are they doing and where are they now? Who cares?
I am Zlatan! I am Zlatan! Look, there's Zlatan!
I was Zlatan.
Whoa! Does the manager know about this?
Let me guess, same as last week?
You sure you don't want the perm?
You kidding me? Get off me! Who's there?
Get off, Zlatan! Hey, what happened?
Why are we all here?
To make a stand. To save football.
I like what you have done with the place.
The game that we love is dying. The clones, they're killing it. We must rise up and...
Sorry, let me just post...
We all want to destroy the clones, but they're unbeatable.
Zlatan agrees.
Nobody thinks they can be beaten. But you can do it.
I'm up for it.
I mean, all of you together. Remember what makes you great. You are not afraid to take risks. You play like it's just a game. They play like it's a job. You risk everything to win everything. There's no greater danger than playing it safe.
It's official. The originals are back and they're challenging the clones to a sudden death, winner-take-all game. If they lose, they say they will quit the game forever. The question is, how will they beat the perfect clones?
match for the biggest match on the planet. The world is watching. First goal wins, no second chance.